Tonight, there are questions about how much power local officials have to contain the spread of COVID-19. The number of people checking into Austin area hospitals has reached a key level.
And that means Austin Public Health could now consider entering stage 5 of its COVID-19 response plan. KXAN Politics reporter John Engel breaks down what stage 5 would mean for you and why Governor Greg Abbott says he is not giving local officials the authority to shut down.
When the 7-day average of hospital admissions is greater than 70, Austin Public Health's risk guidelines recommend a shutdown of non-essential businesses. On Tuesday, that number was 74.9. Austin Mayor Steve Adler not completely shutting the door on whether he has the authority to shut down.
I think the conventional wisdom is that cities can't do that kind of thing unless the governor either orders it or allows the cities to act.
Governor Greg Abbott said he received a letter from Adler and other mayors asking for that power, a request he has no plan to grant. Abbott says if his orders requiring masks and the closure of bars are followed, there's no need to shut down.
They are saying, well, we need to reduce the capacity of restaurants, of retail centers, and things like that. No mayor has sent me any information saying that there's any type of spread of COVID-19 in any of those types of establishments, or that they've taken any effort to close down those types of establishments.
Bexar County Judge Nelson Wolf was the first to find a way to mandate businesses to require masks, a loophole in the governor's previous order. Wolf doesn't want to shut down his county and doesn't believe he has the authority anyway. He would like to see fewer exceptions to the governor's order requiring masks and limiting gatherings.
Now we're getting on the same page together, and I think we're going to be successful.
On Thursday, the Austin City Council could take action to allow the health authority to issue COVID-19 orders and penalties on his own. John Engel, KXAN News.
Austin Public Health says more than 70 hospital admissions does not automatically trigger stage 5 of the risk assessment. It's a range between 70 and 123 new admissions a day.
New tonight, the Republican Party of Texas announced all elected officials will give speeches virtually at its in-person convention in Houston. That includes the governor and lieutenant governor. Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner has threatened to shut down next week's event if it violates rules intended to prevent the spread of the virus. People are still allowed to attend in person, but Turner wants party leaders to shift the entire event online. During an emergency meeting last night, the chairman of the Texas Republican Party said that there is a virtual contingency plan in place. It's a last resort.
If we must go online, we will necessarily be limiting delegate rights.
Another large event like this, which is known as a super spreader event, is probably not the most responsible thing to do.
These are serious times, and this pandemic is very serious, and we take it very seriously.
Mayor Turner says that health inspectors will be on site next week with the authority to shut down the convention if necessary.
Texas has hit a record and a milestone in the fight against COVID-19. The state topped 10,000 cases in a single day. The only other states to have topped 10,000 cases in a day are New York and Florida. What might be more concerning is that it also hit a new high for COVID-19 deaths in a single day, 60. The yellow column here shows more than 9,200 COVID patients in the hospital. That is also a new high. And look at the case overview. The number of active cases is nearly equal to the number of Texans who've recovered.